Hey, welcome back to Kali Center, and I'm happy to be continuing our staff training together. So make sure you grab your Rattan Kali staff, and we're going to be taking some previous lessons. One spin that we worked on and another spin that we worked on in previous videos, and we're going to go ahead and link them together. If you missed those lessons, I have them down in the description below. Make sure to check out those videos. Go get those individual lessons and make sure that you get those staff spin techniques down. And then you'll be able to follow along with this video and do the linkage and link them together, right? If you do not have a staff like this, a traditional Rattan Kali staff, do yourself a favor, head over to KaliCenter.com. You'll find the link down below and order yourself a traditional Kali Rattan training staff. It's always a good idea to have the proper training gear for your Kali practice. Now, after you order one and you're waiting for it to arrive, grab whatever you can find, at least for now, for the meantime, and that way you can start practicing with me right now and begin learning your Kali staff techniques. Hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, and tell me down in the comments below, how confident are you with the staff? From a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being like, this is, my ultimate bread and butter weapon, or 1, yeah, I need a lot of work. Where would you rate yourself? Let me know in the comments below, 1 through 5. All right, so let's take a look at what we're doing. We're gonna be working our two-handed double downward figure 8 spin that goes just like this, our under the arm spin. And we're gonna be linking this with our upward figure 8 double-handed spin just like this. Okay? So let's kind of break this down real quick. So we have our first spin. Again, if you don't know this spin, make sure to check out the video down below, so that way you can get the instruction and you can work that spin. All right, so as we get this one going right here, our downward under the arm figure 8 spin right here. All right, we're going to be turning. I want to do this the easier way for you guys. We're going to be turning this way. So we're going to be turning to the left, to our left. All right. You could also do it turning to the right, but for ease right now, we're going to be turning to the left. So as our staff transitions to our left-hand side, you're gonna notice that I have to turn 180 degrees. As I turn 180 degrees, I'm gonna let go with my left hand, allow the staff to continue rotating, and then I'm gonna re-grab it. So now I'm in that palm up, palm down position. And as I complete my 180 degree turn, now that momentum is traveling upwards, which takes us right into the upward figure 8 two-handed spin. Just like this. Now my left leg is still forward. Okay, let me kind of move back a little bit. My left leg is still forward. So a good thing to practice right here before we make the other transition is you want to be able to switch your feet. So while you have this spin going, you want to be able to switch your feet. Left foot forward, right foot forward. Okay, make sure that you can do that. So incorporating a little bit of footwork. Now with the right foot forward, okay, as this spins to our left side of our body, so we're going to be striking that angle 3. As it's coming over, okay, I'm going to let go of my left hand. I'm going to grab it with my left hand again as it transitions to that double palm downward position. I'm going to turn it around so you can see this side here in a second. As I continue turning 180 degrees to the left, this will take me right into our downward figure 8 under the arm spin. Again, my left foot is forward, so we want to make sure that we can practice this spin with both feet forward and the ability to change our leads. So a little bit of footwork right there. Okay, so we're going to switch that lead to our right foot forward. Okay, let's take a look at it from this side so I can show you that transition again. So from here we go. We get it spinning. Our downward spin under the arms. Right, I'm going to turn 180 degrees to my left. During that spin, during that turn, I'm going to let go of my left hand and catch it again with my left hand on the other side of my right hand. As I continue this to turn, I'm going to continue that upward spin now. Switching the feet, getting ready for my next transition. As it is spinning, I'm turning 180 degrees. I let go of the left hand. Then I grab once again with the left hand, and notice I'm in that double palm down position. As I continue finishing my 180-degree turn, this takes me right into our downward under the arm spin. Right? And then we can get it going. And once we have it moving, we want to make sure that we can switch our feet, practice that footwork. If you can switch your feet, okay, that means you will have the ability to work in other types of footwork as we continue our staff training together. All right, so let's get it going, just like this. Okay, get it moving, start slow, and then make that transition. Make that transition. Okay, go again. Go again. And again. Right, if we switch sides from the other side, get it going, get it moving. Boom, there's the transition. There's the transition. There's the transition. All right, there you got it. One of the beginner transitions from one staff spin technique to the other. I like starting off my students with this one because it is a little bit easier, and you can get it down relatively pretty quickly. Just start slow, have fun with it, don't take it too seriously. You'll start building those transitions a lot smoother and a lot cleaner pretty quickly, and probably by the end of the week, you'll have it down pretty well. Make sure to go check out those other tutorials. If you do not know the actual staff spin techniques that are involved in this transitions video here, make sure you go back and get those lessons and work those techniques individually before attempting to combine them together. Also head over to ColliCenter.com and go purchase yourself a traditional Collie rattan staff. That way you got the best gear for your Collie practice. And if you want to continue your staff training with me and go deeper into the Collie staff fighting forms, also make sure to go grab my Collie staff DVD download, which is packed with great drills, from solo training drills to partner training drills in that program. Grab your staff, get outside, go spin, go have fun, and let nature be your Collie dojo.